Hey guys, it's Maureen. In this video we're going to have 3 recipes and we're going to make this amazing plate. If you're new here, welcome to my cooking channel. Make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification button so that you don't miss out on all the new recipes and other content that I share. Anyway, we're going to start with our steak stew, and I bought this steak from ShopRite because ShopRite has like very soft meat. Yeah, anyway, I marinated my steak and with mayonnaise and steak and chops because steak and chops is a very good spice. Anyway, you want your meat to be brown and then you just take it out a little bit so that you make the Simang'aliso stew. So we will not be using tomato in this recipe, but we are going to be using Royco. So I added in 2 teaspoons of Royco and then I added some water. Then I just let the stew cook for a little bit so that everything comes up together before I add in my meat. Remember, my meat is already cooked, so yeah, I just covered it up for a little bit so that the soup thickens. At this point it was already starting to thick and looking amazing. And then put back my meat, which was already cooked with lots of flavor. So right now the meat is already, the dish is already put together. All you need is just for it to like simmer and everything is just gonna be perfect. It already looks good too, right? Anyway, I covered it up and you just need 2 minutes, and when you come back, voila, look at it, looks amazing. Can you believe there are no tomatoes? I know I can't. Anyway, my pasta is cooking up and this is the finished product for the steak. Now let's move on to the next recipe, which is going to be green beans. Yes, and these are from my garden, guys. My green beans are ready. I'm so excited. Anyway, I added some onions, green pepper, some carrot, and of course the green beans. Some salt, some aromat, and I will also be adding one of my favorite cubes, which is vegetable cubes. It's so nice in vegetables, guys, you should try it. Anyway, I'll only add half of it because this is not a very big dish. It's just for like 4 people. I also added some water because I want the green beans to cook a little bit more because I like them soft. And voila, they're done. Now let's move on to the pasta. At this point the pasta is already cooked. I'll be adding some onions and I also added some tomato. I mixed some green tomatoes and some ripe ones because the green ones are also going to give it some kick. Anyway, I used mother-in-law spice. Then this is me adding some parsley from my garden. And the tomatoes are looking nice, so you don't want them very cooked, you still want them to the chunks to be there. Yeah, so you then add your pasta and you just mix that up and your pasta is ready. You can literally just eat pasta like this as well. It's like very yummy pasta. Anyway, guys, at this point I was done cooking. This was Sunday lunch, so yeah, big dish. It's plating time. This is my favorite time. I like putting the meals up together. I just like how everything looks afterwards when you plate, but I think I need new plates. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye bye.